Stop that. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know what? The amount of videos on my mom's phone that go, yes. Oh, it's a video. Exactly. Wait, are you comparing it ends? Are you comparing me to your mother? It's a video.
Little tiny everything. Oh, look at that one. That one's tinier.
Oh god. You can't even, that's just a window. You can't even stand. That's adorable.
Maybe little tiny people could go through it.
And you could take pictures.
If you can get up there, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, so many opportunities.
Yeah, that rock. You want to do yoga on that rock?
Oh my gosh.
I'm dressed like such a tourist right now.
If we find a really cool archway, I can really get it.
Look at the little tiny door. Oh my god.
Look at the cactus.
I dare you to eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
Oh, I touched it.
I think that's actually bad for you if you eat one. Eat it.
Oh my god, I want to do so much.
I can't even see over this. Cool. Great view.
So many cool pictures.
Okay,
Look, I have an idea.
Oh my god.
You're gonna sit on the wall and I'm gonna take a picture of you looking at it.
Okay, but where? There's like so many places that we can
Here.
But which one?
Oh, I don't know. When we come back, we'll figure it out.
Okay.
Yeah?
Maybe right here. Yeah? I don't know. I already have like a whole memory card full of
Videos?
vlogs. Yep.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh, we could sit with the cactus.
Can you stop with the cactus?
You're so cool. God. I got some cacti.
Did you? Yeah. Don't fall down there.
That's not funny.
I can tell that it's cemented in now.
Coming out? No?
Don't do that. It's a trap door.
No, I don't think so.
I think I might be the sewer.
El Oro, Quiero El Oro.
The manhole covers, I think. That's that. So I think if you want to go in there.
Good try, though.
Literally like from it's so small, like it's maybe.
Wait, is it like two-seater?
Yeah, 2-seater, like barely has a screen.
Like this.
Yeah, but want to go swimming?
Whoa! What the hell is that?
I miss my cat. Wish I had my cat here.
Oh my god, we're gonna get run over.
Didn't think it was possible, but I look more like tourists now. But like, look where we are. When does this happen? Never.
Oh, I understand now. You fall, that is a long
Si puede ser. Sí, la chiquita. Es antiguas.
At the top of the mountain in Kansas, there are nuns there too.
Los mismos dulces, sí.
Just one second.
Hola.
Dos docenas, ¿verdad? Venga. ¿Y qué le demos?
Well, I'm gonna stop here because there's postcards, and you know how much I like postcards. Right, Maddie?
Yeah.
We're sitting down for lunch now. I just bought some postcards and got 2 sandwiches, and I just realized that this says leche y zumo, which is milk and juice. So I'm a little bit nervous. I'm going to try it anyways. Oh, this table's really wobbly. And then I'm gonna write some postcards, and then we're just gonna enjoy this place. Now, can you see me in this? Or no?
Nope.
Can you hold
You
it?
see the Portsmouth tennis? Yeah.
I'm so bad. Yeah, please. I don't know. Can you see me? Can you see me?
I can see the bottom half of his face.
Just hold it.
I want to eat my sandwich.
Just hold it for 5 seconds.
It's gonna be nasty.
Ooh, show it. Ooh.
This is like really good lighting.
It's interesting. It doesn't taste bad, but it just tastes like, I don't even know.
Car coming.
I would be so scared to drive here.
Yay!
I have, look at this sandwich. Pollo y lechuga. And I have 2 of them. And that, which is actually pretty good.
Really?
And then, yeah. Look at these little crackers that I got.
Oh, I have Oreos.
You want some? Oh. Please put that in there. I was gonna say, you want some? Oh, you can't have any. And that was my karma. Karma hit before I could even say it. We almost just died. Whew. That was a close one. Yeah, this street is not made for people and cars. It's made for one. One of them. Apparently, it's not made for us just now. Another car, another day, am I right? I'm going to now climb up there and be a daredevil. I'll just see. Oh. Oh my god. This is literally... What? What? I'm gonna stand. I'm gonna stand now. Well, right now I may be recording my death. Maddie, if I die, you have to put this on YouTube, okay? What should I do? I feel like I'm not doing something crazy enough. Should I jump? Ooh. Just like look at this. Oh, there's Maddie over there doing yoga. And I'm over here taking selfies. Maddie has decided to escape the wind. Yep. Now we're just sitting here enjoying the view. I'm gonna write some postcards. the mall right now. Don't really know why, but yeah. My cheeks are red. I think I just want to win. So I just got back from my day and now I'm going to go shopping to get some presents for my family who still hasn't talked to me at all.
They love you.
So yeah, and I'm really tired, so I think I'm gonna go to bed early tonight. That's also what I said yesterday. Pero ¿qué será, see?
You're going to get up early tomorrow.
Yeah, I forgot. My alarm didn't go off today. Well, it did, but it was quiet and I couldn't hear it. Don't we look pretty? Es un video. Es un video.
Ah, hello.
¿No te gusta? Sí. Claro.
Okay.
How do I look? Why? Big why? Gracias, abuela.